7 ways of discovering and using your hidden talent. First, I will tell you why you need to discover your unique talent. There are 2 kinds of people in the world: hedgehogs and foxes. The fox understands many things. He is clever, fast, and tricky. He is always in hunt of new tactics to beat the hedgehogs and gain his portion of the forest. The hedgehog, on the other hand, knows one big thing. He is easy, he does only one strategy but executes it to completion. Whatever the fox tries, the hedgehog keeps himself with what he knows how to do best. So when they meet each other, the fox tries a new tactic, but the hedgehog always wins. No matter what the fox tries, the hedgehog curls up in a solid ball, exposes his spikes, and stops the cunning fox, thereby forcing him to run and come up with another plan. In real life, foxes are those who always try new tactics to achieve their goals. Koontz, an American author, once said, "I believe that everyone has a talent, ability, or skill that he can mine to support himself and to succeed in life." Talent involves the skills, ability, the experts that determine what a person can do. It differs for everyone. Discovering your talent will help you to live life to the fullest. The result of this is that you would have to consciously create a life of happiness for yourself and also fulfill your purpose. Now that we understand how important it was in getting our unique talents, let's see how we can find them out. In this video, I will show you 7 reasons why you should use your talent or gift. If you are new here, consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on exciting videos like this. 1. Other people can benefit from them. Humans coexist with one another. In a symbiotic relationship, one of the ideal links is commensalism, where the 2 individuals benefit from each other. Our gift or talent are purposely created not just for ourselves but to help those around us. We benefit from other people's talent. Almost everyone around us contributes to our welfare in one way or another. Now the interesting question is, how do other people benefit from our talent or gift? Our gift or talent are ours, but they are not just there for us, they are given to be shared with others. Just imagine the world if nobody shared a talent. What a gloomy world it would be. There is no sense of delight when we only want to serve ourselves. Sharing our talent with other people can create more lasting fulfillment. It is a win-win situation. We get to exercise our talent and other people, on the other hand, receives a benefit from it. 2. It leads to a more satisfying life. Benjamin Franklin once said, "Hide not your talents, they for use were made. What's a sundial in the shade?" Our gift or talent are also considered our strengths. Gallup Incorporation, an American analytics and advisory company, researched people who use their strengths every day and how it affects their performance and overall their quality of life. They find out that people who use their strengths and talents every day are 6 times more likely to be engaged on the job. They also found out that building employee strength is a far more effective approach to improving performance than trying to improve weaknesses. One sad thing found in the research is that The vast majority of businesses in the United States don't focus on helping employees use their strengths. The analysis shows that learning their strengths makes employees 7.8% more productive, and teams that focus on strengths every day have 12.5% greater productivity. This means lots of people can benefit more if they use their talents and strengths every day. 3. Make money out of them. Money, yes, we all need money. We don't need to feel guilty recognizing that money is one of the purposes why we should use our talents. But let's be careful to remind ourselves at the same time that our gift and talent are not just for accumulating money. Madeline Lingo, an American writer, once said, "We can't take any credit for our talent. It's how we use them that counts." Our skills can help us make money. With exceptional growth and use, they can even give us richness beyond imagination in all aspects of our lives. We must discover ways to use our talents even though we are working in various fields. People are often ignorant about the kind of talent they have. If we are aware of something where we are good at, we can start small and make money out of it. Maybe we can do a part-time hustle and we'll be surprised by the learning we can have in the process. That's what most successful people claim. They found out what they are good at, and with constant use and practice, their gift assists them well. Sets of opportunities are right at your fingertips with the advancement in technology. 4. Leave a lasting positive impression to people. A positive mindset and a happy, optimistic attitude will open more opportunities than anything else. Don't be inauthentic, but if you focus on success and bring a solution-oriented mindset into your meetings, you will find the people around you will start thinking the same way. 5. Leads to faster growth and development. A research study has been made on 133 bowlers to monitor how positive self-monitoring of their skills affect their performance. They found out that positive self-monitoring is more favorable on tasks where they demonstrate a high ability. Through constant use of their strengths, positive self-monitors significantly improve their bowling averages. This translates to the application of strengths and talent in different areas. When a person positively monitors his performance and looks for ways to improve his strengths, he will develop faster than focusing on his weaknesses. If we would like to improve vastly, start on where we are good at. We have nothing to lose because we already have them. 6. Show appreciation to the giver. When we are using the talent given to us, we are opening more doors and windows for more gifts. Why is this so? Use it how the law of God works. Whatever we believe in, when we use the talent the Creator gave us, it shows that we appreciate His works. He will provide us with more opportunities to use them in return. Rick Warren, an American author, said, "When God gives you a talent, He expects you to use it. It's like a muscle. If you use it, it will grow. If you don't, you will lose it." Our talents are investments of God. If we don't capitalize on them, they will never grow. we will lose the compounding interest where we and others can benefit from. 7. Be open to change. Know that as we age, our tastes change and our strengths grow. Don't allow yourself to be complacent by telling yourself the same story over and over again. If you say, "I am not athletic because I didn't play sport in high school," you are not giving your current self a chance to identify new talent. Be open to change means letting go of preconceived notions and honestly absorbing the world around you. This kind of openness will lead you to discover new talents and help prepare you to tackle any challenge life throws your way. Thank you very much for watching our videos. If you like this video, watch more videos on our channel and subscribe. We love you.